stop is M's Sourdough Bread. And today we're going to be talking to Colin. Colin, tell us a little bit about M's, about the owner, and how it got started.
All right, so M's has been around for about 30 years, which is when our owner Melissa got the starter from her mom. It got handed down to her. We've been at the Findlay Market for around 5 years now, about 3 years in this stand and 2 years earlier down that way in a really smaller stand. From there, we expanded into what you see now. We have a whole bread side, half of it, more than half of it's sourdough, the other half is just regular yeast bread, but it comes with a touch of M, so it's just better than your normal bread you find anywhere else. We have plenty of bread. Our best sellers are sourdough. Our plain sourdough. Our second best seller is actually not even a sourdough, it's our salted dark rye.
Oh.
People love this, Cincinnati German heritage. It's awesome by personal experience. Normally, we usually have the bread side, and on the other side of this wall, we have our sandwich side. But currently, sandwiches are down. We're just doing bread. We've been open to this entire thing, and we're just doing the best we can to serve our customers.
Yeah, I know we come here on our vegan tour because your multigrain bread is purely a vegan bread. So it's very popular with vegans in Cincinnati. So
it's very good multigrain. It's not a break your tooth multigrain. It's actually very soft.
Mm-hmm.
We actually bake all the bread here almost daily. So any bread you get here is super fresh and super ready to eat.
Yeah, and one of my favorite items are these iced cinnamon rolls.
Oh, those are awesome. Just giant pans of heaven.
Yeah, and then I see your baguettes back there.
Yeah, baguettes are made every day.
Great
Fresh every day.
For Christini and that.
Yeah.
So, well, thanks, Colin. It was great talking to you, and hope to see you once things turn back to normal. We'll be here with our tours once again.
Sounds
So,
good. Thank you.
bye-bye.